Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, just off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to give you a little bit of a sneak peek of what we have going on at our store this week, the Brews, Boats, and Bands event, a first annual event taking place right here at our store, 142 Sportsman Island Drive, just off Daniel Island. Follow me, and I'll show you what we have going on. So this Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, we have a huge boat show event that we've turned into basically a giant festival. On Thursday night, we're going to have a preview night. Friday night, we're pushing boat show incentives. We've got your Scouts, your Boston Whalers, your Sea Rays, special boat show pricing, and special financing incentives as well from some of our lenders. On Saturday, we have all of our vendors here on site, and we have a ton of stuff going on. We have a lot of merchandise here donated to us. All proceeds are going to benefit the Charleston Animal Society. We have craft beers from Indigo Reef Brewery, raffle prizes from Yeti coolers, Revo sunglasses, skincare items